So Preeti, you have installed it, and
Yes,
what
sir.
about the others? What about the others? Dolly?
Yes, sir, installed.
Okay. Lina, have you installed it, Lina?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Ujjwal?
सर अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा सर, आप कंटिन्यू करिए, हम शाम में सर आपको दिखा देंगे।
तो कितना टाइम लगेगा? ये इन लोग को भी तो किए थे ना, इन लोग का तो कैसे हो गया?
सर क्या पता मैम, नेट स्लो चल रहा है आज। सर
ठीक
आप
है।
कंटिन्यू करिए सर। हम
अच्छा, और बाकी लोग का तुम्हारा वर्षा और इसका प्रिंस, तुम्हारा, तुम लोग का प्रिंस, वर्षा, राज रोशन?
हो रहा है
हाँ
सर।
सर, हो ही रहा है।
ठीक है, हम तो 10 मिनट वेट कर जाते हैं, फिर तुम लोगों का इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा तो फिर हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। So I think everyone has installed it. I think most of them have installed. Most of them have installed the
यस सर,
it.
हो गया, चलिए सर.
Okay. So I will start again. So from start, I will show it. I'm canceling this. And from fast, I will again show you. So fast main, what we are doing the configuration of telnet. Configuration of telnet in router means how we can remotely access the router through telnet. How can we remotely access the router? Like from a PC. From a PC, we can access the configuration of the router. So first, what we have to do, we have to take a router. First, we will take a router. It will be chosen from here in the left side corner. You can see there is network devices present. So click on that network devices. And if you click on the network devices, in the right side, you will see there are the routers present. In the right side, you will see there are all the routers present. So from there, choose the second type of router, that is 4321, and click it. After clicking it, put it here. Okay, put it here and change. I have changed the name as router 1. Okay, same as that. Here in the network devices, I have chosen router first. Then you have clicked the switch, and from switch, you will choose the fast type of switch 2960. Click it and put it here. Okay. Rename the switch switch 1. Okay. After that, choose in devices. From in devices, I have chosen a PC and a laptop. Okay. After that, make the connections. So choose the connection settings, and from that connection, choose the first type of connection, that is automatic, and click here. Click on this, over this, and make the connection. Same as that, click over it and make the connections. Same as that, click over the router and make the connections. Okay.
So please एक बार और बताइए.
फर्स्ट तुम क्या करो, देखो फर्स्ट पहले फर्स्ट नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस में क्लिक करो. फर्स्ट नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस देखो लेफ्ट साइड के कॉर्नर में एकदम नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस है. ठीक है. नेटवर्क डिवाइसेस को क्लिक करने के बाद देखो राइट साइड में तुम्हारा क्या है. राइट साइड में ऐसा राउटर्स दिखाएगा. बहुत सारे राउटर्स प्रेजेंट है. 4331, 4321, 1941, like this. From there, choose the 4321 router. From there, choose 4321 router.
Okay.
Okay. So after choosing that, press on it, and you can see after press, you will see a like this. And put it by there a plus sign will be given, and put it in the window.
Okay.
बैठा है वो ऐसे. रुको फिर हम दिखा रहे हैं. First, go to the left side corner. There will be the network devices. click over that network devices, and from that network devices, there will be routers present. Here there will be routers present. Choose the 4321 router. So click it. After clicking it, a plus sign will be visible. So click and put it here. Clear? And change the name by over clicking it. You can change the name. Okay. Preeti?
Yes, sir. Don't tell him.
Okay. Same as that, choose the switch. Click here. There is a switch option. There will be a switch option present. So click that. Over the switch, click it. And in the right side, you will see some switches. You will see some switches present here. So from there, choose the 2960 switch. So click over it and put it here. Same as that, here you will choose the end devices, and from end devices, after choosing the end devices, you will see in the right side there is PC, laptop, server, multi-server, printer, IP phone, like that. So from there, choose the PC, one PC, and I am choosing one laptop. Okay. So that's how I have chosen all the devices. Then go to the connection. You can see there is a connection. Go to the connection, and from there, first type, the automatically choose connection type. Choose that. And after pressing over it, you can make the connections. Same as that, again choose it and press over it and make the connections. Same way, choose it, press over the router and make connection to the router to switch.
So connections नहीं हो रहे हैं. Connection वाला step एक बार फिर से बोल.
Connections वाला step ये देखो. इधर कनेक्शंस का एक मिल रहा है लेफ्ट साइड में. लेफ्ट साइड में देखो कनेक्शंस
yes,
बोल के एक
sir.
ऑप्शंस है. हाँ, कनेक्शंस
तो
को
उसको
क्लिक करो.
ड्रैग कर रहे डिवाइसेस के बीच में तो वो नहीं आ रहा है.
वो तुमको ठीक से करना होगा. कैसे बोल रहे हैं, देखो तुम अगर चूज किए तो चूज करने के बाद उसको ऐसे डिवाइसेस के ऊपर लेके जाना है. ठीक है, जैसे स्विच के ऊपर हम लेके गए, उसके बाद उसको ऐसे जब फर्स्ट क्लिक करोगे, जब ये ब्लिंक करेगा मीन्स कनेक्शंस तैयार होगा. अगर ब्लिंक नहीं करते हैं तो कनेक्शंस नहीं पॉसिबल है. ठीक है, देखो
Okay.
इधर हम जब भी किए ब्लिंक हुआ. एक मिनट, देखो ब्लिंक हुआ, कनेक्शंस हम कर सकते हैं. सेम एज दैट, इधर हम प्रेस किए, देखो ब्लिंक हुआ मींस कनेक्शन एस्टेब्लिशमेंट होगा. सेम एज दैट, राउटर के ऊपर जाओ, उसको क्लिक करो, ब्लिंक होगा, फिर हम कनेक्शन एस्टेब्लिश कर पाएंगे.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर. सर आपकी डिटेलिंग आ रही है, मेरे में बस डिटेलिंग नहीं आ रही है. एज इन दिस गीगा 000.
हाँ, detailing, yes. From Giga Ethernet, it is shown the Giga Ethernet you. The main thing is you have to choose the view option, not view option. There is an option, over there is an option present. You can see there is an options present.
Yeah.
Afrin?
Yes, sir.
And from
Yes, sir.
that option, you choose the preferences. Okay. If you choose the preferences,
Okay.
this will be opened, and from here there is a port. Show that always show port levels in the logical workspace. There is an option always show port levels in the logical workspace. you can click on it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
After clicking, press the cross button. And now you can see that all the things are
Yes, sir. Yes,
showing.
yes, yes, sir.
This is the way. Okay. प्रीति, अब कनेक्शंस हुआ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. उज्जवल?
यस सर, हो गया.
Okay. So now you have to configure the IP address. So first I will rename the address, and we are choosing a class C IP address. अब हम लोगों के पास, जब हम फर्स्ट दिन क्लास में बोले थे कि हम लोगों का क्लास टोटल 5 क्लासेस ऑफ IP एड्रेस प्रेजेंट है. अभी नेटवर्किंग में हम पढ़ाएंगे जब, तब उस जगह में आओगे, तब उधर हम लोग IP एड्रेस के बारे में जब पढ़ेंगे तब देखेंगे. बट अभी तक जान लो कि हम लोगों के पास जो IP एड्रेस प्रेजेंट है, टोटल 5 टाइप्स ऑफ IP एड्रेस प्रेजेंट है. क्लास A, क्लास B, क्लास C, क्लास D एंड क्लास C. ठीक है, ये 5 addresses of class A, B, C, D, E IP address are present. From 1 to 126, from 1 to 126, we called class A IP address, and it will be, in this case, this will be 1 network part and 3 host part. For class B IP address, it will goes from 128 to 191. And on that, there will be 2 network address and 2 host address, 2 network part and 2 host part. In class C IP address, it will start from 192 to 223. Its range are from 192 to 223. And there will be 3 network part and 1 host part. And for class D, it will start from 224 to 239, and it is used for multicast address. And class E, that is from 240 to 255, and it is used for experimental. So here I am choosing what? Here I am choosing class C IP address. So class C IP address means it will start from 192. It will start from 192, from 192 to 223, we will choose any address. So I am choosing what? Class C IP address, I am choosing 192 as. So 192, and I am using 168.1.2. Okay. Same as that, I am renaming this name 192.168.1.3. Now you see both these first 3 part are same. This first 3 part are same for both because they are in the same network. And that's why what we have said, that class C IP address has 3 network part and 1 host part. So that's why they are present. These 2 systems are present on the same network. That means they both 3 part will be first 3 part will be same, because first 3 part represents what? Network. First 3 parts present the network, and last part present the host address. So first 3, the network, they are present in the same network. So they are present in the same network means what? They are present in the same network means that their network part will be same. So you see both network part are same, 192.168.1. Same as that, in case there is also 192.168.1. Only the host part, only the host part is different because it is for identification, uniquely identified. So that's why the host part is different. Now we have to what? We have to configure the IP. Here we have only renamed the IP addresses, but now we have to configure the IP. So for configuring, what we have to do? we have to press over it. One minute. I have to first I have to make the connections. Go inside it, and you can, after clicking on that, you will see there is a window. This window will be open. Okay, this window will be open. Press over it. The window is open. Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So from there, choose the desktop option. In over, there is a desktop option. Choose that desktop option. So after choosing the desktop option, you will get such type of window. And from there, choose the IP configuration option. From there, you will choose the IP configuration option. And you will put the IP here. So whatever the IP I have used, renaming that, I have put it here. Okay, that IP address I have put it here. And the subnet mask will be automatically chosen. So this is class C IP address. That's why the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. The subnet mask will be like that. Okay. And the default gateway, we have to put the default gateway. So the default gateway will be this address. Only in that case, it will be 1. Okay. So the default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. So that's how the IP addresses should be configured. Same as that, for this laptop also, we will configure the IP. And the subnet mask will be automatically chosen. And the default gateway will be 192.168.1.1. Okay. So that's how the IP of the 2 has been configured. So first you configure the IP, then I will move. Tell me that after the configuration of IP, I will move. Okay.
Yes,
दोनों में
done.
सर गेटवे सेम ही रहेगा।
सेम नेटवर्क में है, सेम नेटवर्क में है, इसलिए तो बोले कि सेम उस गेटवे तो उस ये तो पूरा सेम नेटवर्क है, इसलिए तो क्या है दोनों का नेटवर्क एड्रेस देखो सेम है, इसका नेटवर्क एड्रेस और इसका नेटवर्क एड्रेस सेम है, और तो सेम थ्रू उस गेटवे से तो कनेक्ट होगा, तो इसका क्या होगा, तो दोनों ही तो एक ही जगह में कनेक्ट है। समझ में आया?
यस सर।
ओके, पहले ये कॉन्फ़िगर कर लो, फिर हम जाएंगे दिखाएंगे।
अच्छा हो गया।
ओके, व्हाट अबाउट द अदर्स?
डन सर।
ओके,
सर
सो नाउ
डिफॉल्ट गेटवे में क्या डालना है? 192.168.
देखो इधर इधर हम 192.168.1.1 डिफॉल्ट गेटवे का लास्ट में 1 से खत्म होता है, ठीक है। ऑलवेज जो होस्ट है वो होस्ट को 1 मानते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है। अब जो तुम नेटवर्क होगा, नेटवर्क का आईडी जो होगा, एड्रेस जो होगा, वो एड्रेस रहेगा लास्ट में 1 रहेगा। इधर क्या था 192.168.1, ये मेरा नेटवर्क एड्रेस है, ये मेरा नेटवर्क एड्रेस है, तो यही क्या होगा डिफॉल्ट गेटवे में यही बैठेगा, सिर्फ लास्ट में एक 1 हम लोग ऐड करेंगे, होस्ट नेम में हम लोग 1 ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है। मीन्स 192.168.1.1। क्लियर?
सर इनवैलिड IP6 गेटवे दिखा रहा है।
इनफिनिट IP6 गेटवे
सर स्क्रीन शेयर करें?
हाँ ठीक है, रुको हम एक मिनट स्टॉप शेयर करते हैं, तुमको ऑप्शन दे। हाँ शेयर
ओके।
करो। अच्छा ठीक है, प्रेस करो आईपी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। नहीं उधर नहीं, IP6 में कुछ नहीं, तुम डिफॉल्ट गेटवे में जाओ। तुम तो IPv4 एड्रेस दे रहे हो, IP6 एड्रेस लेके तुमको कुछ काम नहीं है। IPv4 में देखो डिफॉल्ट गेटवे जो है 0.0 लिखा है, इधर नहीं ऊपर में डिफॉल्ट गेटवे जो है, हाँ हाँ उस पोजीशन में जाओ। इसमें टोटल पूरा ये इसको कॉपी करो, IPv4 एड्रेस को कॉपी करो, .168.1.1, हाँ बस ठीक है। सेम एज दैट इसको भी करो, ये जो लैपटॉप दिया है उसको भी करो।
ओके सर।
हो जाने के बाद बोलना, क्योंकि नहीं हम वेट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है।
ओके सर। यस सर हो गया।
Okay. So now our connections are made. Now what we have to configure the router. So we have to go to configuration of the router. So for configuration of the router, we'll go over the router and click it. So after clicking this, that type of a window will be opened. That type of a window, it will open, and from there, choose the CLI option. So from CLI option, you can see a message is written. Would you like to enter the initial configuration? This type of a message is
नहीं दिख
written.
रहा सर.
Sir, आपकी screen पे there is nothing visible
Okay.
as in the command prompt. Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
Now it is visible. So place over the router, and like this it will be open. From there, choose the CLI option. Place over the router and choose the CLI option. So a message is shown that would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? When you open the CLI, inside the in the below there is a message shown that would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? This message is shown.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So here in that case, press N, that means no, and press enter. So after pressing the enter, the message will be shown, press return to get started. So again, press and enter. So after pressing the enter, you will see there is a given router and it will be given here as like that. It is showing like that.
Yes, sir. Next.
Next. So now we are in what? We are in user mode. So from user mode to going from user mode to privilege mode. So from going from user mode to privilege mode, we have to write EN. EN means enable. So enable command. So after writing this EN, press enter. Then we will what? We will go from user mode to privilege mode. And then after from privilege mode to configuration mode, we have to write config T. So enter the configuration mode. We will now enter the configuration mode. So now we will configure here. So you can see the interface is what? The interface is given Giga Ethernet 0x0x0. This is written. This is written as Giga Ethernet 0x0x0. This is written. So we have to go to that interface. So first, before going that, I want to change the router name. So for changing the router name, you have to use the command hostname. You have to use the command hostname and write anything. So I want that the name will be changed as R1. So I have written hostname R1. So now the name of the router is changed. You can see the name of the router is changed. So how we will have to go now inside the interface. The interface is written here. You can see Giga Ethernet 0x0x0. That means INT interface. That means interface G0x0x0, because this is the interface. So we should go to inside this interface, and after going inside the interface, we have to add the IP. So for that, you have to use IP add. Now the address we have used in the default gateway, the address is 192.168.1.1, the address of the default gateway which you have used, and the subnet mask.